First of all, open google.com and write remove.bg in the search engine. And when you enter it, there will be first website remove.bg, and you will click at that. When you open this website, you will have to upload the image there. You can see on my screen that there is an option of upload image. You will simply click on upload image and select the image. Here you can see that I am exporting image. I want to remove the background of this image. I have simply click on it and open it. Now just go at when you open it, it takes some time to remove it automatically. You have to click on now at edit option to choose background of your own desire. Here you can see that when I click on edit, there are lots of options and lots of backgrounds appearing to me. They are in the photo backgrounds and also the color backgrounds as well. When I scroll down, here you can see that there are lots of photo backgrounds. When I click on them, here you can see that in background there is a building, there is a river, or if I click on another one, there is some natural background and partying, night, also skies, and many of more. You can select any of them which you like it. We have some other backgrounds as well, name color. You can replace color of any choice, blue, red, blue, violet, or any of them which you want. You can also increase or decrease the size, zoom in and zoom out as well. Now I am downloading this image. I simply click on download option and click again, and simply it has been downloaded. Now I am opening it to see its preview. Here you can see that the background of an image has been removed or replaced. Thus you can change backgrounds of the images in no time. You can also decrease or increase its capacity. You can change the brush size as well. You can restore it to default as well. Now if we go at the background, you can also blur its background as well. Here you can see that there are lots of options of blur as well. You can do that as well. Thank you very much.